T20 World Cup 2024. That's the big story that we are getting at this hour. India clinch a thriller in Barbados. Let's take a look at these pictures of celebrations coming in at this point in time.
We are the best in the world. We are the best. We are the best.
More reactions that are coming in with India winning the T20 World Cup 2024. The last time they, in fact, took the trophy home was in the year 2007. India clinching a thriller in Barbados, defeating South Africa. India creates history. A series of reactions coming in. Let's go straight. India are World Cup T20 champions. I'm going to go straight across to Nitin, in fact, my colleague, who's joining us right now from the national capital. Nitin, just tell us, what are you really seeing around you?
Sneha, I don't know whether you can see me or not, whether you can hear me or not, but the only one thing, that each and everyone here is in the celebration mode. Look at the mood, look at the chant, look at the wave. India, they have won the T20 World Cup trophy. Look at the celebration, look at the celebration, look at the dance, look at the charm. This is what each and every Indian wanted for so many years. This is the time when India actually are living, the dream which we are actually dreaming for at least 17 years. This is the time when Rohit Sharma and the team has made it for the nation. This is the second time when Indian team has lifted up the second time the T20 World Cup trophy. क्या बोलोगे?
पहले से ही बताती इंडिया जीतेगी और जीतेगी। हमको पहले से ही बताती इंडिया जीतेगी और जीतेगी। भारत माता की, इंडिया जीत गया। राम जी की कृपा है।
See, everyone, look at the sweets. Sweets are already here, and each everyone's celebrating this moment, enjoying this moment.
Absolutely.
This is what each and every Indian wanted.
Very emotional moment for all the Indians. Really, this is wonderful winning. This second time we have won this World Cup for India.
रवि जी, क्या बोलोगे यार आप इस जीत को?
150 करोड़ भारतीयों की जीत हुई है, एक विश्वास की जीत हुई है। रोहित शर्मा के आंखों में जो सपना था 2011 में जब वो सिलेक्ट हुए, आज भारत को वर्ल्ड कप जीता है। मैं इसके लिए बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहूंगा ऑनरेबल सेक्रेटरी बीसीसीआई श्री जय शाह जी। उन्होंने एक विश्वास के साथ राजकोट के अंदर अपनी मंजूरी दी, रोहित शर्मा पे विश्वास दिखाया, उस रोहित शर्मा ने कमाल कर दिया और भारत को जीत दिलाई।
India! That is what each and everyone is chanting. And let me show you the pictures, the celebration, the mood, what exactly the Indians now are celebrating. This is the moment Indian team and the Indian fans are living for so many lines. And that is what each and every fans, each and every citizen wanted. Have a look at the celebration. Dance, dhol, firecrackers, sweets, everything is here. Have a look at the picture. These pictures are priceless. These pictures are absolutely priceless. This is what the Indian
Okay.
team. This is what the Indian team and the nation was dreaming for the long time. Sneha.
Absolutely. Celebrations break out across the country as India makes history. World T20 champions. I'm going to go straight across to my colleague Nikhil Naz, who is in fact just there in Barbados witnessing history. Over to you, Nikhil.
এখন 1000 লোক আমাদের লাইভ দেখছে বাংলায়, আজ তাক বাংলায় 1000 লোক এখন লাইভ দেখছেন এবং সবিক মাঝখানে এসো, মাঝখানে